Can you teach me some Jamaican slangs before I go?
Well, you have baby burp on foreign self. You nana biblow, whoa.
What?
What does that mean?
Biblow, when you bust a bullet.
Okay.
And bibip, when you take a taxi. Burp, when you drink a juice. So, you go fly out and up on the plane, you go foreign yourself inside your house. Yeah.
Beep beep blue blue burp.
What?
You lie! You're lying! Liar! Lies! The filthy earth boy lies! He lies!
True.
I was lying! You're lying! You're lying! Lying! When will the lies end?
When people bring these old cartoons or old shows back to surface, this shit it just reminds you how good we had it back then compared to today. Today's generation of cartoons and stuff, I don't know what that is. That's a joke.
Alright, Dad. I'm gonna come back soon.
Skinny jeans.
Sit down. What in the Caitlyn Jenner? So basically, you are telling me that you like boys? No, because you come outside in leggings and ray. So you are not straight anymore. You are bent. Low.
Man
Skinny
pants.
jeans. Batty riders. That new style, you're sagging, you're going outside and you're sagging.
You're sagging too, bro?
And you don't
Why for the sag?
wash your body properly in the shower. You do playing tic-tac-toe in your boxers, but you're outside show. You are a body slave.
Yo. You are a body slave. That one then crazy.
I don't know this boy anymore, man.
She said leave my house.
Let me delete you off my WhatsApp contact. Let me block you on my WhatsApp because there's no freaking way, man. You're bald.
We coming behind his ass. You don't go nowhere. You don't go nowhere. Give him man his motherfucking money.
Whoa. Uh-oh. They about to clone. They about to clone. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Yep. I gotta go home. Wow. This is why a lot of Walmarts are closing down, because y'all can't act right. Where is she?
Excuse me.
What do you
Excuse
want?
me.
Yes.
Roll it down, please.
I'm not rolling. Who the hell are
Sir,
you?
this is private property. This
Sure,
is
I'm
a
a lab
private
mechanic.
lane.
What?
So what?
Sir,
خلاص امشي هاي بتخوف.
Hey,
sir, listen to me. This is do you have a permit to be here?
It's none of your damn business.
Okay, sir, we pay a lot.
Step
Let
away
me tell
from
you
my
something.
car.
Let me sir,
Step away from my car.
sir, my American tax dollars pay for this permit. This is
Don't
private
nobody
lane.
care.
Y'all don't look like you're supposed to be here.
I'm more
Nobody
American
cares,
like you.
dog.
You look like European. Where do you come from? Poland?
Sir, roll down this
You
window.
come from Poland or
I have
Russia,
no choice
huh?
but to call the police.
My tax is more than
cannot
your whole
park
salary. Get out of here.
Sir.
No, don't
you
sir
can-
me.
Sir.
Hey, don't you dare touch my car.
Oh my god, babe, just go.
Don't you dare, huh? You're lucky I got my...
Y'all can, oh my god, he hit me.
يا خنزيري. يا
Did she say, oh my god, he hit me? What? Look at where she came from. Look at this.
Yeah.
Yo, that was the fastest slow run I've ever seen in my life. Tell him. Hey! Hey! Oh! Fire! Get him! Get him! Hey, 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 hey! Inkily. Oh no.
So he's an idiot.
Yeah.
So you sneaking in the movies and shit now? Oh. That's what we doing? Be honest, if I'm gonna be honest, I have never done this at a theater before. I never went to the movies and then went ahead and go look at another movie after I'm finished watching. If I paid for a movie, I'm gonna go watch that damn movie. I've never done this before. You may just give me some ideas. No. God!